Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shreyavlogs. আশা করি আপনারা সবাই ভালো আছেন. So before starting the video, I would like to thank you for my 2K subscribers. Guys, I am so grateful that you supported me and you subscribed to my channel. That's a very important thing and I loved it. Thank you so much. And a lot of you guys are new on my channel, so I would like to introduce myself to you guys. So hi, this is Shreya this side and I make food vlogs and travel vlog. And yes, I am getting ready for my shoot, which is a food vlog. And তার জন্য I thought I should make a video where I am getting ready. So basically, আমি যখন ready হই for my shoot, I try to be as simple as possible. So I use a moisturizer, lipstick and a liner. And that's it is my whole thing. But the most important thing that I do is to take care of my hair, especially during my shoot, because my hair is straight but it's very frizzy, and that is why আমি shoot ভাও পুরো করে ফেললাম, তারপরে আমার চুলগুলো কিছু এরকম টাইপ হয়ে থাকে and I look very bad on that picture. So তার জন্য I make sure that my hair is settled and to do that I use a lot of serums and stuff. But yes, I'm going to introduce you to those items that I've been using constantly for quite a few days. This is the range that I'm talking about. It's a beautiful range from Matrix. It's a Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight Shea Butter Professional Shampoo and Conditioner. এই দুটো জিনিস আমি ইউজ করছি অনেকদিন ধরে অ্যান্ড ফ্রিজিনেসটা কাইন্ড অফ গায়েব হয়ে যাচ্ছে, ইয়া কাইন্ড অফ সেটেল ডাউন ডেফিনেটলি হয়ে যাচ্ছে অ্যান্ড গুয়াহাটির জলটা বেশি ভালো না, তো ইটস ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট দ্যাট আই টেক কেয়ার অফ মাই হেয়ার উইথ সাচ বিউটিফুল প্রোডাক্টস. So now talking about straight hair, আপনাদের চুলটা chemically straight, even though if it is not chemically straight or naturally straight like mine, it's very important that you take care of those blessings that you have. So যখন আমি chemically straight করেছিলাম তখন তো I have no idea about such product and আমার চুলটাকে আমি কেয়ার করতেই পারিনি. It's like 3 months এর ভিতরে মানে আমার স্ট্রেটনিংটা গেছেও গিয়ে. So if you guys are planning to straight your hair or you have straightened your hair and now you're looking for products that is going to keep your hair straight and smooth, it's very important because chemical use করা হয় তখন আপনাদের চুলটা বেশি frizziness হয়ে যায়. This is the range that is very much perfect for such conditions. If you guys use it religiously, then you can keep your hair straight and smooth up to 6 months or 72 washes. And the blessing about this product is this serum is working like magic for my hair. It is basically helping me to keep my hair smooth, silky, settling down my frizziness. Of course, it is enriched with shea butter, moisturize your healthy hair, makes it look silky and shiny. So yes, how to use the product, let me talk about that. Before using the product, I shampooed and conditioned my hair. So first you need to shake it properly, and now can you see my hair? Can you see this, how frizzy it is? Oh my god, and I've recently colored my hair, the frizziness started beshi hoye geche. So can you see this liquidy thing? Yeah, it's just like water like texture. So সুন্দর করে ভালো করে এরকম করে, so I'm going to use it on the tip of my hair because এখানে split ends গুলো আছে আর এখানেই frizzinessটা আরো বেশি আছে তো আমার চুলে. তো this is how you get ready, and now can you see the shininess? थोड़ा बहुत दिख रहा है आपको? instant result আমি আপনাদেরকে দেখাচ্ছি. You can also rewind this clip and check out the difference, and also a picture আমি পেস্ট করে দিব আপনাদের জন্য কি আপনারা দেখতে পারবেন কি ডিফারেন্সেসটা দেখতে পারবেন after and before using the serum. I'm really satisfied and I'm using it from a very long time. যাদের চুলটা chemically straight, you want to keep your straighten hair for a good amount of months, and it's very important to take care of your hair. And what we do is basically to go to salon, and every time it's not possible for us to go to salon and give so much of amount of money and take care of your hair. And if you want a one-time investment at the same time salon type puro hair care, so you must go for this products. So, and yes, if you feel this video is going to help you, hit the like button. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, if you want to buy this product, you must go and check out the link in the description. So yeah, I shall see you in the next video. Till then, take care.